Let us explore AWS Certification Path. AWS certification levels have 4 types: Foundational, Associate, Professional, and Specialty level certification. AWS Foundational level. We have Cloud Practitioner certification. AWS Associate level. We have a Solutions Architect, Developer Associate, SysOps Administrator. AWS Professional level. We have a Solution Architect Professional, and DevOps Engineer. AWS Specialty level. We have a Data Analytics, Advanced Networking, Machine Learning, Database Specialty, SAP on AWS, and Security. Try our experiential learning by clicking the link given below in the description. Happy learning with WITS Labs.